Do you ever wish women would pursue you first for once?
Well, the good news is any man can ignite feminine chase energy with simple mindset shifts and behaviors. Today, I'll share 10 simple ways to make women eagerly chase your romantic attention, rather than always having to initiate pursuit yourself. These psychological tricks naturally spark female curiosity and intrigue. Soon, she'll crave winning you over, turning the usual dating script on its head. Ready to unlock simple secrets to making women excitedly chase you?
Let's get started. And if you're new, welcome to the Woman Signals. Be sure to subscribe for more daily dating advice.
Tactic number 1. Display your high value. Confidence portrayed through strong body language, charisma that reflects social status, and sharing your passions and talents all contribute to this display. When you present yourself as a catch, it triggers an instinctive motivation for women to chase and secure a connection with you, fearing that another discerning lady might claim your attention first. This tactic focuses on creating an attractive and compelling image that naturally sparks interest, encouraging women to actively pursue a connection, realizing that you bring something special to the table. By demonstrating these qualities, you not only boost your own appeal but also stimulate a sense of urgency in others who want to be part of your life.
Tactic number 2. Keep an air of mystery. Rather than being an open book emotionally, leave a bit of ambiguity about your intentions and feelings in the beginning. By dropping subtle hints or breadcrumb clues about yourself, you pique her curiosity and create a desire to unravel the mystery that is you. This tactic suggests turning yourself into a captivating puzzle that she can't resist solving. The element of mystery adds an intriguing layer to your personality, making the interaction more engaging and enticing. It encourages women to actively seek to understand you better, contributing to a sense of fascination and interest in discovering the layers beneath the surface. Tactic number 3. Don't always be too available. The 80-20 rule is recommended. Be available 80% of the time but maintain healthy space the other 20%. Intermittent unavailability keeps her guessing, unsure if you're engaging with other women. This uncertainty compels her to intensify her pursuit to remain at the forefront of your thoughts. By strategically creating moments of unavailability, you instigate a sense of intrigue and competition, prompting her to actively seek your attention. This tactic encourages a balanced approach, ensuring that while you are accessible most of the time, occasional unavailability adds a dynamic element to the interaction, fueling her desire to stay connected with you. Tactic number 4. Spotlight your active social life. Casually mentioning vibrant friendships and exciting hobbies, you paint a picture of a rich and fulfilling life. Sharing anecdotes about your tennis crew or adventurous travel buddies signals that you have a dynamic world she might want to be part of. This tactic is designed to motivate her to step up her pursuit, recognizing that your schedule is already packed with exciting activities and people. By highlighting your active social life, you create a sense of desirability, encouraging her to actively pursue a connection with you, hoping to carve out a space for herself in your engaging and bustling lifestyle. Tactic number 5. Flirt, tease playfully. It's like catnip. Keep things slightly out of reach emotionally and physically. While flirting is encouraged, avoid excessive fawning or becoming too intimate too quickly. This tactic relies on maintaining a fun and slightly aloof energy, leaving her wanting more. The sense of playful mystery you create instinctively encourages her to chase, hoping to advance the connection to the next level. By teasing and flirting in a light-hearted manner, you establish an engaging dynamic that fuels her curiosity and desire for more interaction. This tactic aims to strike a balance between charm and restraint, creating a captivating atmosphere that motivates her to actively pursue a deeper connection with you. Tactic number 6. Respond enthusiastically to her pursuit.
Prompt and positive responses act as a reward for her pursuit, encouraging her to initiate more interactions in the hope of gaining your attention. By consistently showing enthusiasm in your responses, you create a positive association for her between pursuing you and receiving a self-esteem boost. This tactic focuses on reinforcing her efforts, fostering a sense of validation and encouragement. As she continues to associate pursuing you with positive outcomes, it naturally motivates her to take the initiative more often, strengthening the connection between you.
In essence, responding warmly to her advances becomes a powerful tool in cultivating and sustaining her interest. Tactic number 7. Occasionally flip the script.
Instead of always taking the lead, suggest she choose the venue for your next date or initiate the next text exchange. This tactic aims to keep her on her toes, preventing complacency and inspiring her to continuously seek your attention. By occasionally flipping the script, you introduce an element of unpredictability, making the interaction more dynamic and engaging. This approach ensures that the pursuit remains a mutual effort, with both parties actively contributing to the connection. It adds a playful and intriguing dimension to the relationship, encouraging her to stay inspired in capturing your attention while creating a balanced and reciprocal dynamic between the two of you.
Tactic number 8. Stand out from other men.
The idea is that the more you distinguish yourself, the more she perceives you as a one-of-a-kind catch worth pursuing. By exuding a distinctive zest for life, you create a magnetic appeal that sets you apart from the rest. As you showcase your adventurous spirit and unique interests, other guys may pale in comparison, making you the ultimate prize in her eyes. This tactic encourages embracing individuality and expressing your passions with enthusiasm, establishing a connection based on the recognition of your exceptional qualities, and making her more inclined to actively pursue a connection with you.
Tactic number 9. Speak your mind confidently.
Polite yet firm expression of your thoughts showcases strong self-assuredness. This confidence and conviction in your opinions make you appealing, and she will eagerly anticipate hearing your perspectives, hoping to win your approval. By standing your ground with respect, you demonstrate authenticity and a sense of self, which can be attractive qualities. This tactic encourages you to express yourself openly, fostering an environment where your opinions are valued and sought after. It establishes a dynamic where she actively seeks your approval, contributing to a sense of admiration and interest in connecting with someone who confidently shares their thoughts and beliefs. Tactic number 10. Give her hope but not total certainty. While genuinely enjoying time together, maintain a bit of mystery about the possibility of a romantic evolution. This mix of hope without total reassurance encourages her to step up her efforts in trying to secure you as her romantic partner. By creating a sense of anticipation and potential, you spark her interest and motivation to invest more in pursuing a deeper and more meaningful connection. The tactic plays on the idea that leaving a bit of uncertainty keeps the excitement alive, prompting her to actively work towards solidifying a romantic relationship with you. There you have it, 10 simple ways to make any woman chase you. By showcasing high mate value, maintaining an air of mystery, and employing calculated unavailability, you'll have her hopelessly trying to lock you down. So next time you spot a cutie you desire, put these simple tricks into play. Soon she'll be the one trying extra hard to catch your eye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this advice, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Love to hear your insights in the comments below. Feel free to share with friends who may need a chase energy boost. And if you want to show extra support, use the Super Thanks button to buy us a coffee and fuel more videos. We truly appreciate your support. Until next time, excited to hear you have the ladies eating out of the palm of your hand in no time with these simple chase-sparking secrets. The power lies in your hands now. Go enjoy.